Appendicitis is one of the most common causes of acute abdominal pain, with a global incidence ranging from 6 to 8.6%. It typically results from blockage of the appendix lumen, leading to bacterial infection and inflammation. Despite advances in understanding its pathophysiology and clinical presentation, the optimal approach to treatment remains an active area of investigation.
Appendectomy is the definitive treatment for acute uncomplicated appendicitis, but it carries the risk of several post-operative complications. Wound infection, early complication for contamination or poor wound care. 2. Intra-abdominal abscess, infection buildup causing fever and pain. 3. Peritonitis, leakage or perforation leading to severe abdominal infection. 4. Intestinal obstruction, adhesion blocking the bowel. 5. Reoperation, needed for unresolved abscess or obstruction.
Laparoscopic appendectomy, ERAS versus conventional care. Objective to compare post-operative recovery between ERAS protocol and conventional care in laparoscopic appendectomy patients. ERAS protocol, hourly VES pain monitoring, non-opioid analgesia, antiemetic if nausea, antibiotic stop after surgery, early ambulation and oral intake, early discharge when fully awake, pain under 2 and stable. Conventional care, severe pain for opioid analgesia, oral feeding after bowel recovery, discharge after normal diet tolerate and pain under 2. Result and conclusion. ERAS faster recovery, shorter hospital stay, adequate pain control without opioids, no increase in post-operative complication.
The post-operative treatment strategy after an appendectomy involves combining opioid medication, such as morphine, with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs NSAID like ibuprofen to help relieve pain more quickly. However, drugs like morphine and fentanyl may cause serious side effects including breathing difficulties, urinary retention, constipation, and dependence. Support from family members and a comfortable environment during recovery also play an important role in helping patients heal faster after surgery.
The main goals of this education is help patients care for themselves at home, recognize signs of complication or danger, recover safely and independently. Content of education is how to care for wounds, recognize danger signs, what to do if problem arise. Method of providing education is in personal explanation, written materials, videos, phone calls, or apps make information easily accessibility for patients and families. Benefits of enhanced recovery after surgery program is faster recovery, shorter hospital stays, reduced healthcare costs, and higher satisfaction with healthcare service.
Wound closure after open appendectomy. There are two common ways to close the skin after surgery. First, interrupted stitches are non-absorbable. The stitches do not dissolve and must be removed at the follow-up visit. Second, continuous intradermal stitches are absorbable. The stitches dissolve on their own and do not need to be removed. How to care for the wound at the home? First, keep the wound clean and dry. Second, change the dressing as instructed. Third, wash your hand before and after touching the wound. Fourth, do not stretch or press the wound. 5. You can take a shower but do not soak the wound. The last is wear loose and comfortable clothes.
Patients often experience a decline in quality of life due to the ongoing recovery of physical and emotional functions. Okay, first step is recovery period between 2 weeks to 1 month. So second, quality of life decreases after appendectomy due to physical and emotional recovery. So third, physical conditions improves within 15 days, while pain and social function may take up to 3 months. Now, let's look at the main points we need to evaluate after an appendectomy. Okay, first, pain management, regular assessment, effective analgesics, and early mobilizations. 2. Physical recovery is gradual movement, breathing exercise, and prevent stiffness. 3. Emotional support is either severe anxiety and stress over reassurance. 4. Social reintegrations encourage family and peer interactions. 5. Patients education, realistic recovery timeline, normalize mild symptoms. 6. Special attention, elderly and high Alfaro score is close monitoring and individualized care. Next, I will explain the evaluation process after an appendectomy. This evaluation focuses on the patient's recovery progress and overall quality of life after surgery. Okay, first, postoperative HRQOL declines initially but improves gradually. So second, most patients achieve full recovery within weeks to months. 3. Comprehensive and consistent nursing care ensures better outcomes. 4. Focus on physical, emotional, and social well-being for complete recovery.
Makes it hard.